Okay, so for a suspension trainer squat, first you need to make sure that the straps are adjusted to mid-length. After that is done, you can go ahead and grab the handles and take a couple steps back to take the slack off. Making sure your body is straight, you can open up your feet to hip width apart and toes slightly outward. Making sure that your elbow is in line with your shoulder. You can go ahead and drop back at a 90-degree angle. Making sure your knees do not pass your toes and pull back up.